Hi guys, welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. And the theme for this month is Gold Digger. Now this box screams holidays to me. It's all about the glitter and the glam. So let's get started with the first item that I got, and this is from LissetBeauty. And you get 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Now these eyeshadows are super easy to blend and they're very pigmented. I already play with them. Next, I have this Junta Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. So I swatched it and it was really dry. It's not creamy at all, unfortunately, but maybe if I warm it up with my hand, it might glide on smoothly. Next, I got this Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. Now, this is my first time trying Cover FX. I know it's weird. I should have tried this brand before. I've heard so many great things about it, but I'm glad that I finally got this glitter drops. However, they're very intense, so you can actually see the glitter through it. I will be creating a makeup look so you guys can see, but here I'm swatching it for you guys so you guys can see how the glitter shows up. Next are these 4 mini brushes by Luxie. This one is the 131 angle brush. Then the 111 flat angle brush. Next, the 121 taper brush. And lastly, a 141 mini round brush. So on to the last item. These are the Lashaholic Instaglam false eyelashes. And I love the packaging. It's got glitter around it. It's really cute. Like I said, it screams holidays, doesn't it? I'm really glad that I got these eyelashes because I will be wearing them during the holidays for sure. So this is everything I got for the month of November from Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!